What if we could design a future where we all feel good?
At Cascades Pro, we believe we can. Welcome to the new era of clean, an era of innovative solutions that raises the bar on hygiene, making it a feel-good experience for everyone.
We're kicking off this exciting era with our stunning new family of Cascades PRO Tandem dispensers.
Every feature of these lean, clean machines has been tested, fine-tuned, and given the thumbs up by real humans with real needs. They're sleek, modern, sophisticated, and impressively seamless. What's more, we designed the entire line to be 99.9% jam-free. Cascades PRO Tandem dispensers are in it for the long haul, no matter how many guests put them to the test. These are just some of the 7 feel-good benefits we baked right into Cascades PRO Tandem dispensers. They're hygienic, reliable, sustainable, and cost-saving. They boost your productivity as well as your image, which all gives you peace of mind. To make it even simpler, there's our new Make It Easy program. This fuss-free delivery system is loaded with helpful features that make it more convenient than ever to do business with us. Top it off with our wide selection of soft, dependable, and enviro-friendly papers, and you'll be ready to roll. We deliver all this in one big, happy family that's guaranteed to turn heads. Hygiene has never looked so good. Best of all, we're just getting started. Welcome to the new era of clean. Cascades PRO. All clean, all good.